which would not end for 28 years, if it ever did end, began, so far as I never can tell, with a boat made of a sheet of newspaper, floating down a gutter, swollen with rain. The boat bobbed, listed, right itself again, dived bravely through treacherous whirlpools, and continued on its way down Bridgham Street, towards the traffic light. These mark the intersection of Bridgham and Jackson. The three vertical lenses on all sides of the traffic light were dark this afternoon in the fall of 1957, and the houses were dark this afternoon too. There had been sunny rain for a week now. 2 days ago the winds had come as well. Most sections of Derry had lost their power then, and it was not back on yet. A small boy in a yellow slicker and red galoshes ran cheerfully along beside the newspaper boat. The rain had not stopped, but it was finally slackening. Just a little more. That's a lot of it more. Most sections of Derry had lost their power then, and it was not back on yet. It tapped on the yellow hood of the boy's slicker, sounding to his ears like rain on a shed roof. A comfortable, almost cozy sound. The boy in the yellow slicker was George Denbrough. He was 6. His brother was known to the most of the kids at Derry Elementary School, and even to the teachers, who never would have used nicknames to his face, as Stuttering Bill. He was back at home hacking out the last of a nasty case of influenza. In that afternoon of 1957, 8 months before the real horrors began, and 28 years before the final showdown, Stuttering Bill had been 10 years old. Bill had made the boat beside which Georgie John Man had made it sit up and his back propped up. He made the boat beside which Georgie now ran. He had made it sit up in bed, his back propped up against a pile of pillows. When the mother played for Elise on the piano in the parlor, and rain swept wipelessly against the bedroom window, the mother wheeled her way down the block as one heading towards the intersection of the dead traffic light, which she was blocked on to motor traffic by the smudge plots. And forwards. Central. Do they float? Float? The clouds grin widened. Oh yes, indeed they do float. And it's cotton candy. George reached the clouds used to the George talk about space change. I saw them set lemons worse than imaginings of the things sweet dreams destroyed his sanity in one clawing stroke. They float, the thing the drain crooned in the clotting, shuffling voice. George